Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Rachel. I'm here with another tutorial on using the Foreo UFO and customizing the mask settings. In just a minute, we're going to go through a screen grab, a screen recording of the actual app, and then with a side-by-side of the actual device doing the things that I'm doing in the app. In any case, I wanted to say a couple of things about the actual device. It has the options of red, green, and blue LED lights. Red being for anti-aging, green for anti-pollution, and blue being for anti-acne. And you can control those intensities in the app. Unfortunately, you can't create your own masks settings for the actual device. Using this tool, you'll have to time them yourself. But at the same time, it's still a pretty cool feature of the device. And yeah, so let's jump into it. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. So once you have your Bluetooth linked to your UFO, you're gonna open the screen and see where it has the options for the masks. And you're gonna click the little sprocket, the settings sprocket that's underneath the cart. And you can see that you can control, it acts as a remote control, so you can create your own ideal mask settings. For if you're doing DIY masks like what I showed in my previous video, you can take all the red out, take all the green out, take all the blue out, okay, turn all the red on, red off, green, green up, all the way up, green off, blue, blue all the way up. Add your pulsations, whatever level you like, up to 10. Turn the pulsations down. Add the cool feature, add the warm feature. Turn those features off. Put the blue at 50% and the green at 70%. Take the blue out all the way. Put the red at 50%, 60%, 100%, etc. Play with your heat and cool settings and your pulsations. You could do 30 seconds on red, 30 seconds on green, 30 seconds on blue. And that's basically all there is to using the remote control. As far as timing is concerned, you would have to keep your own time for each thing, seeing as how the ideal settings for the mask are for 90 seconds. So that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun, helpful videos with your life and stuff and whatnot. Don't forget to drink water, obviously. Bye.